Joining us now to discuss this is Melissa Negrin-Wiener, partner at Genzer Kona Elder Law. Good to see you. Tell me what we're seeing right now. This is shocking that someone would attack our most vulnerable community right now.
It is. It's unfortunate. It happens pretty regularly, throughout time. And this pandemic really has put the scammers into kind of overdrive. And it happened so quickly. It actually really surprised us. But, the biggest message we need to send to people is to really just slow down and think before you act. People are getting emails that are claiming to be from the CDC with medical breakthroughs and things like that. And we just want to make sure that people understand that nothing like that is ever going to be announced via an e-blast. The CDC does not send out e-blasts, nor does the IRS, Social Security. So we want to make sure that people are aware of that, and that if they want real up-to-date information from the CDC, they should go to the CDC's website, cdc.gov. That's where they're going to find, the right information.
Right.
They're also getting emails offering vaccinations and some sort of cure. So put in your credit card information, send money here or there, and we'll send you this medication or whatever it might be. And of course, they're sending their credit card information, putting it online, and then once that's done, they're out of luck.
So you're mentioning these specific emails. Any other source of communication? Are we getting phone calls, social media? Is that playing into that as well?
Phone calls are always an issue, especially with the senior population, and especially now because they do feed on the fear and the isolation. To begin with, seniors are more isolated and fearful. But with this going on now, they're not even getting visits from their family members and things like that. So phone calls, kind of forming a relationship or somebody to talk to on the phone is always something to watch out for. And I know even in my own neighborhood, on social media, we've seen warnings that people are going around in hazmat suits pretending to be from the CDC to offer a test, right? Because everybody's kind of wanting to just get tested to make sure. And so people are opening their door and then the houses are being robbed or whatever is going on. So people need to be really careful. It's coming from every angle: telephone, email, and really face-to-face knocking on doors.
Yeah, that's horrible. I mean, it just angers you to hear something like that. Melissa, do we know who's behind these scams at all? Do we have any vague idea of where these are coming from?
No, they come from everywhere. I mean, we've gone through years of, the scams coming through email that you have a relative that's died and left $1 million. We've gotten scams about romance scams where seniors are, kind of hooked through a romantic relationship, sending money overseas to individuals that they feel are in love with them. I mean, it comes from everywhere. And I don't know, these people who are going door to door, they could be in our own backyard.
Wow. Okay. In less than 30 seconds, what can people do if they think they're being scammed?
So people just need to be careful. As elder law attorneys, we are really encouraging the adult children or caregivers of the senior population to make sure that they are power of attorney for their aging loved ones, that they have a healthcare proxy for their aging loved ones, so they can check bank account statements, they can check credit card statements, and really keep an eye as to what is going on. Because typically when there's a scam like this where money is going out, it's usually the adult children or caregiver that notice something is up. So we're urging people to really make sure that they have their documents in place. At Genzer Kona Elder Law, we are doing virtual document signings. We've been given the ability by Governor Cuomo to notarize, via FaceTime or whatever sort of teleconference we can do. So we're still able to get those documents in place, and we're really urging people to make sure they have someone looking out for them.
Yeah, exactly. And even more reason to contact your older loved ones at a time like this to not only check on their health, but also for scammers out there, unfortunately. But we all have to do our part. Melissa Negrin-Wiener, a partner at Genzer Kona Elder Law, we appreciate the time. Thanks so much.